Welcome back. This is another tutorial about live server, and this is my project folder, and inside there is another folder which contains all my files. Let me open my project using a browser. So I double click, and then I get this. So this is the application, the portfolio which I'm working on. So as you can see, it's located desktop, tutorial, and blog, and I'm working on this project using Atom text editor. Atom is a good text editor, but today is not all about Atom, but everything I do over here has to be updated right away here without me refreshing. So I will show you how to do that. That will really help you to be productive. So first you have to install Node, and you go to the Node website and download this one. After it finishes, you double click and you installed it. I installed it already, so I don't have to install it again. To be sure, if your Node is installed, go to the CMD and check by writing this Node version. For me, it's installed version 9.4.0. So latest version of Node is already installed in my machine, so I don't have to worry. For you, you have to see this. And then after that, you use live server module, and this is the one which updates your browser. So you go down and you copy this line of text, and then you installed it here by pasting as a global. It means go to npm and install live server package as global, and now I am installing it. So the installation process might take some time, and it depends on the speed of your internet, and the speed of my internet is a bit fast, and it will install it very soon when I am speaking right now, maybe in a couple of seconds. Okay, yes, it's installed now. Let me check live server and yes, live server 1.20 is installed. So I'm happy now. What do? Instead of opening like this, I just close this one and I go to the desktop, because my project is on desktop, and then tutorial, then a blog, and then live server. By now it launched for me. From now on, I don't have to worry to refresh the browser when I change something. Just to let you know, let me show you how it works. For instance, if I like to change the background, this to something else, let me do background, right? And then light green. Yeah, it changes instantly when you change something here. No worry about updating or refreshing by yourself. The browser will take care of itself, and then you will freely develop your application. Thank you for watching. I will be back in another tutorial.